Welcome once again to Maths with Ish. Now I have a question on the board, and the question is, if 10 is above y times 5 is above 2y minus 2 times 4 is above y minus 1 is equal to 1, they're asking us to find y. So how do we solve this problem? As usual, we are going to use indices to solve this problem. So let's forge ahead. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is this. I write my 10 raised to the power of y times, I'll take my reverse form of indices here. So this can be written as 5 raised to the power of 2y divided by 5 raised to the power of 2. We call that. Then times, here I'm going to write this one as 2 raised to the power of 2 into y minus 1 equal to 1. You get that? So now the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write this as 10 raised to the power of y times 5 raised to the power of 2y all over 5 raised to the power of 2 times. Now you see this, I'm going to write it as 2 raised to the power of 2y minus 2 equal to 1. So what I did here is that I applied the power law here, 2 times y, 2y, 2 times minus 1, 2. Okay. So the next thing I'm going to do is this. I'm going to write this as 10 raised to the power of y times 5 raised to the power of 2y all over 5 raised to the power of 2 times. I'm going to do this one just exactly the way I did this here. I'm going to write it as 2 raised to the power of 2y all over 2 raised to the power of 2 equal to 1. So what I've just done now is that I applied the division law in a backward form to this. Okay, so that next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to write this as 10 raised to the power of y. Now if you look at this, you will discover that the power here and the power here are the same. This is 2y, this is 2y. So anytime you have such a case, it means that you can times their bases. So which means I can do 5 times 2, that will give me 10 raised to the power of 2y. The same thing to the power here and this one here are the same, so I can times their bases. It means that 5 times 2 is 10 raised to the power of 2 equals to 1. And applying the law of indices here, this will give me 10 raised to the power of, hope you can see that, maybe I should raise it up a little bit. So that will give me 10 raised to the power of this plus this, y plus 2y is equal to 10 raised to the power of 2. I had to cross multiply here. Okay, so this will give me 10 raised to the power of this plus this, that is 3y, equals to 10 raised to the power of 2. And then if you check this, you discover that, so let me write this one properly. Let me write it properly. 10 raised to the power of 2. So if you check this now, you will discover that the two in the left hand side and the right hand side are the same. So I will have to equate the power by comparison. Okay, so this implies that your 3y is equal to 2. And if your 3y is equal to 2, it therefore means that y is equal to 2 over 3. I hope you can see that. Maybe I should write it properly. Let me raise it up a little bit. So, okay, maybe I should bring it here. So from here, it means that your y is equal to 2 over 3. Hope you can see this. Okay. So that's the answer to this. So please, if you think you have gotten something from this class today, please like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thank you.